This is the rear lift at Palace Gardens in Enfield, and it's not working. This is the main lift at Palace Gardens Shopping Centre in Enfield. This one on the right. We'll go up to 4.
Doors closing.
Door close button does not work. Capacity is 20 persons, 1500 kilos. Modernised in 2012. It's got Stenter gate and it's an Apex.
Doors opening. Lift going down. Doors closing.
It's an Apex with Stenter gate. Don't know what it used to be.
Ground
Here we
floor.
are, G, and that's it. This is the lift at Enfield Library. There it is. Door close button does not work. It's a precision lift. Capacity is 8 persons, 630 kilos. It's got digital advanced. Back down to G. It's a glass lift. Here we are back at G. It's got a Zeta motor. And that's it. This is the lift at W.H. Smith in Enfield. It's going to be an old Evans. Here it is. I'm going to go down to basement. Capacity's 10 persons, 800 kilos. It's got low buttons. It's going to be this door on the basement. No, it's this door. Back up to G. It's a hydraulic. There is a phone in there. Very nice. And that's it. This is the lift at Marks and Spencer in Enfield. Door close button does work like that.
Lift going up.
Capacity is 8 persons, 600 kilos. It's an unknown with hydroware. It's an unknown lift. There's no make.
First floor.
We are at 1.
Doors opening.
Back down to G.
Doors closing.
This might have been a Furs originally.
Lift going down. Ground floor.
And that's it. This is the other lift at Marks and Spencer in Enfield. We're going to go up to 1. It's a generic Otis with TVC. Capacity is 26 persons, 2,000 kilos. Modernised in 2015. Don't know what it used to be. We're at 1. Back down to G. We are back at G, and that's it. This is the lift at Palace Gardens in Enfield. Door close button does work like that. It's a Schindler Euro lift. Capacity 17 persons, 1275 kilos. Built in 2006. We're at 1. Finish off at 1. Door close button does work like that. And that's it. This is the lifts at Palace Exchange in Enfield car park. It's going to be a Schindler Euro. Another Schindler Euro lift. Only one lift is working, so might not get good footage.
Lift is going down. Door closing.
Door close button does work like that. Capacity is 21 persons, 1600 kilos, built in 2006.
Floor 0. Door open. Rear door open. Doors closing.
This is the lift at
Lift going up.
Dykeman in Enfield. It's a standard. Capacity is 8 persons, 630 kilos, built in 2006.
Level 1.
We're at 1.
Doors opening.
Oh, it's got intelligent levelling. Back down to G.
Doors closing. Going down.
Average stunner. It's quite fast though, this one.
Level 0.
We are back at G. And
Doors
that's it.
opening.
This is the lift at Pearson's in
Going up.
Enfield.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up.
This used to be a Keithley or a Schindler. It's been modernised with Leicester by Titan. Capacity is 8 persons, 630 kilos.
Floor 2.
We're at 2. Go back down to G.
Doors open. Going down. Floor 1. Ground floor.
This is the lift at Boots in Enfield.
Doors closing. First floor, lift going down. Doors opening. Doors closing.
Capacity is 20 persons, 1600 kilos. It's an ALS lift. It's It's maintained by Temple.
Ground floor.
We are
Lift
back at
going
G.
up. Doors opening.
And that's it.